Alright, so we're here and we just experienced a car crash, right, Cesar? Yeah, over there. We were over here in the Shell gas station, and right across the expressway on the opposite corner there was a car crash.
Oh my god.
What are we gonna do? Dale, güey, pásatelo, güey.
La cámara. Oh my god, why?
Pásatelo, güey. Y si sale un carro, nomás di que you were gonna go help. No, pues ya viene el carro, güey. Ya, we can't wait. Ay, no, pues can't wait. Dale, güey, no que se muera. Pero guáchalas de acá, güey. Esta o la esta. ¿A dónde se spray? Ah, mira, ya apagó el video, güey.
No, ahorita, güey, ya.
Va a estar bien, no, güey. Mira. Aquí, espera, quédate aquí. Oh, shit.
Güey, ¿nos parqueamos ahí o qué?
Sí, güey, sí.
¿Dónde?
Everybody's alright, güey. Okay, so that car's good. That car's good. That car got fucked up on the side. Hey, güey, that's a sign where it's going home. Ah, güey, nada más pendejos. ¿Por qué le pasan las luces? Alright.
Yeah, it looked horrible though. The blue car.
Happened right in front of you, right?
Yeah,
Shit.
yeah. Like we were the second car.
Wait, so can I record you? Alright.
Yeah.
Alright. So the blue car was coming from this way,
Correct.
And-
The car was coming up.
and
There's a ramp here, and
the white one, I mean the truck, or the one that hit him.
the van was going through this way. Blue car came through the red light.
Oh,
quick,
alright,
Slammed right
yeah.
into the side of the white van.
Oh, so the van's fucked up from the side.
Yeah.
The blue car passed the red light over there. You got it. Slowly. Dale. Shit. Dale aquí reverse. Hay gasolina, güey, no. Pues no me... No, por parte tú. Fuck it. Ah, güey, hay gasolina en el floor, güey. Nunca sabes, güey. Pero fuck it. Yeah, I'm still recording, güey.
Esa gasolina no explota, güey. No pasa. Problema como más. No es.
Pero la que está dentro sí, güey.
Si le pegan a mi truck, güey.
Lo que andaba pensando de prender tus emergency.
Chile, ¿qué están haciendo aquí, güey?
Was there somebody else in your car? Okay.
Are you okay, bro?
What hurts? Your arm?
He probably broke his arm.
Does it hurt to breathe?
Try not to move because you might have a broken rib.
You were driving?
Oh, wait. You were driving?
I wasn't driving.
Oh.
I was in the passenger seat.
called 911, right?
Yeah, I was all over there.
Alright. Well, no, my truck's working. Se mira, güey,
¿Ibas a turn o qué, güey?
la white one venía de allá para acá.
Ok.
Y el car se pasó la red light.
Oh.
Y boom. Esta venía en green.
Sí.
Venía para acá, güey.
Oh, ok.
Mira,
Y él vino.
Él venía de allá para acá.
Sí,
como así, como
sí,
esa.
sí, sí. Y luego el de allá venía
Sí,
así.
y se pasó la red light. Y el chingazo. Ya dice, güey. Sale, como preguntó un car, los paro y les digo, una entrevista. Digo que soy reportero.
Dile.
Al ser que me mamo, güey.
Dale.
¿Cómo van los que chocaron?
Sí.
Una para.
Dale, güey.
Me da mucha risa. Okay, so those cars are good. Vámonos. Alright, guys, you've seen it. Don't move, man, don't move.
I called an ambulance for you. I know you're in a lot of pain, but you gotta stay What?
Bro, I don't know, bro.
Who's driving? Me. You ain't drinking, are you? First thing they gonna ask. Where the hell were you going in a hurry?
Don't try not to move. I know it hurts.
That's why I
I
told
know
you
it
to
does.
sit down, big dog.
Or lie down, you.
Huh?
Or lie down.
Yeah.
Because if you have something broken and you're moving, you're gonna stab like with your bone. You're gonna get internal bleeding. Hopefully not.
My leg hurts.
Yeah, just wait for the ambulance for everybody to get checked.
Got insurance? No?
How old are you, man? How old are you? 18. You too? Well, the car says that they got one coming in this van. Like, I didn't see it.
I really want driveway.
Yeah. Then the van was coming straight. So you want to just like reverse straight? This is the van. Huh?
I hit it.
Yeah. This is the van.
We got a bumpy.
Huh?
White one.
The white one. Anything inside?
Get it.
You can't remember?
Nah, I did because I was going straight down over here. Then I knew he was going to hit.
It's because of Ank. Where does it hurt?
Like on my knuckle, man. I think I lost my knuckle.
You probably broke your.
Oh, I can't even fucking look at you. Oh, shit.
La madre. Choque loco, güey.
Este güey nomás se pegó en el volante, no.
Alright guys, well, that's what happens when you drive in Houston. You fucking crash. Y nos vamos en la Goldie.